Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Ogbefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubenorifte. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm only seen to Ugochi Tubenorifte temple. You know, about for family, because all the more this teacher. I'm because money seen to another restoration evangelical mission. William Basson. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
Let's proceed with today's questions properly. There is news circulating on the internet that the papacy has made a decree to abandon devotion to Mary. What is your take on that?
Yeah, thank you for that question. The truth of the matter is that you can't separate the foundation of Catholic faith will be shaky if actually this degree, as we had it, stands. Because Catholic Church is one of the traditional belief that mix it with Christianity. And I remember those days when I was still a Catholic. I'm one of those people considered as Mariologist. And I remember those days. What I used to answer there at that time is Paul Mary, an apostle of Mary. So, and I remember back then, as a Catholic and a Mariologist, I promised to build a grotto of Virgin Mary when I grow old. That was have been my dream, to build a grotto in my father's compound. Yes, so Catholic faith, many things in Catholic faith will be in shambles if they sustain this current stance, trying to downgrade the role of Mary in Catholic theology. In the Council of Ephesus, Catholic made it clear in that council that Mary is the mother of God, the Theotokos. And I do na catechism that time now say, na Mary bụ nne nke Chukwu maka na ọ bụ nne nke person nke bụa n'ime ịtọ n'otu dị ngosi. Ebe ọ bụ nne Jizọs, na ọ bụkwa nne Jizọs onye bụ Chukwu. All here is na catechism there. But what is happening to Catholic faith now remind me a prophecy given by one American woman. I can't remember her name now, but he gave a lot of prophecies that have come to pass. According to that message, maybe with future I will remember the woman's name. He gave that prophecy that after Pope John Paul II, after the successor of Pope John Paul II, that other popes that will emerge will live a life that is against the foundation of the church. According to that prophecy, he called them anti-popes. And I remember we remember all what happened when the successor to Pope John Paul II, and then his successor happened to be a German who later voluntarily resigned, maybe because of under pressure of some certain things. Maybe he wished not to do them. But so I'm not surprised having so many things are coming from these modern popes. The other one that passed on, Francis, established same-sex marriage. And this one coming now, nullifying or trying to play down the role of Mary according to Catholic faith as co-redemptress and the mediatrix of all graces. So, but we observers, we are keep watching. But I can tell you, this particular decision will touch the very foundation of the Catholic faith. And the Catholic faith remain the strong foundation of Christian faith. Thank you.
At the Council of Ephesus 385 AD, it was declared that Mary is the mother of God. They also believe that Mary is the co-redemptrix and mediatrix of all grace. What is your view on that?
Yeah, as a born Catholic, and being somebody that came across the philosophical and the theological aspects of the Catholic faith, yes, and also as a Mariologist, I'm here to tell you that this particular decision will touch the real fabrics because the Catholic faith elevated the role of Mary in creation, whom they call many names, like the Queen of heaven and earth. Eze nwanyị nke eluigwe. Remember those litany that we normally sing when we are in brothels and Marian societies in the Catholic faith, because I happen to be one of the people that grew and begin to love Mary as a Catholic. Yes, I started from Brock Rosary to to Region of Mary, from Region of Mary to Confraternity of the Most Holy Rosary, to Maria Movement of Priests founded by Reverend Father Stefano Gobi from Italy. And I belong to so many other Marian society like Daughters of Mary and rest of them. So my love for Mary then can never be emphasized because of his role in creation. Then the being identified by Catholic as Virgin Mary, Queen of Heaven. The role of is the role of a primordial queen already in creation. After the throne of divinity, you have to come to the throne of the primordial queen. Or if, even in the ancient books, the Old Testament was mentioned the Eze-Ana. Yes, Queen of the Coast. And remember, the Catholics in the litany, they gave her the many names that covers her roles in creation. Because n'ụdị Chukwu, enwere oyiyi Chukwu, enwere oyiyi nwoke n'ime Chukwu, enwere oyiyi nwaanyị n'ime Chukwu. So the Catholic faith understand these things. That's why they gave her that title, co-redemptress, knows Osonye aka na nzọpụta, playing the role of a mother of Jesus, and the co-redemptress, onye na-esonye ya kesa amara, gracia niile. So and so on, for them to turn around nowadays to rebuke those stands, we have affect the ideology, the faith of the faithfuls. In fact, some of them will become more confused. And remember, we have many Catholics. Well, although in this part of the world we know more of the Orthodox Catholics, the Western Catholic, this the Roman Catholic. But don't forget that we have Orthodox Catholic too. Yes, those people operate within the Alexandria and some of the eastern part of the world. However, we still have other ones known and called the Pan-Marian. Yes, and we have another Catholic pontiff known as Pan-Marian Pope. Yes, they are Catholics too. They are doing everything, but there is slight. They prefer devotion. Devotion for Mary is high in that Catholic, and we have another set of Catholic, the Orthodox Catholic. They have their own pope, understand? So and so on and so forth. So the Western Catholic, the Roman Catholic, trying to play down the role of Mary, the status they once gave to her. Down now will really affect so many things. But I know in creation we have the place of the Queen of Heaven, whether you call it Virgin Mary or you call it an entity of power or whatever, but the role of Queen of Heaven do exist before now. Thank you.
You used to be a Mariologist. Do you still believe in those titles given to her in the litany of Blessed Virgin Mary?
Yeah, thank you. Yes, the truth of the matter is that the knowledge I have concerning the Virgin Mary, when I did my research concerning Igbo spirituality, I understand that Igbo spirituality still have a place to recognize the Queen Mother. Yes, yes, otherwise known as Eze-Ana. In the cosmology of Igbo spirituality nwanyị adara echi eze. Yeah, but with the concept of this higher being that radiates the feminine energy. In Igbo cosmology, we have a place for her, and we call her the Eze-Ana, the Queen of the Sea. And I believe that the throne of the Queen of the Sea, otherwise known based on my awakening, I call her the primordial queen. Yes. So Catholic gave those titles that have been in existence to the mother of Jesus known as Virgin Mary. They call her all sort of names, mediatrix of all graces, Virgin nwere siri ike, Virgin nwere obi ebere, Virgin kwesịrị ntụkwasị obi, ụgbọ nke amamihe, ugegbe nke ezi omume, isi aṅụrị anyị, cause of joy. When I was Catholic, if you see the title, they begin to interpret it, you will understand the devotion they have and love they have shown for this Mary. And but for me, when based on my recent understanding, whenever they are giving those titles, as in litany, those are titles in area, those titles reminds me of the primordial queen behind that personality. Though Catholic presented Mary to use it to cover up for that personality who owns that particular seat. So I can tell you that Queen of Heaven, yes, have been in existence thousands of years before the story of Mary or Jesus emanates. So one of the office of the Queen of Heaven. However, like Catholic does, they brought the message, the name of Mary, the mother of Jesus, use it to fill that vacuum, so that you look as if whom they are giving those honor is the mother of Jesus, whereas there is an entity behind that name that really suits that name. Because Mary, the mother of Jesus, is just human. According to my research as a Catholic, as a Mariologist that time, I read so many books because the mother of Mary, the mother of Jesus, the mother is Anne, Saint Anne, while the father is Saint Joachim. So you can see that he has more parents, ethnic parents. So Catholic try to revert her in the sense that she's a supernatural being. You understand? In order to suit that name. But I can tell you, from the ancient book and Old Testament, even in the book of Isaiah make mention of the Queen of Heaven and Queen of the Sea, the Queen Mother. So what I'm trying to tell you that the throne of the Queen Mother, ebe nwere king, nwere queen. So Chukwu Okike, on the throne of the kingship as the ruler of the whole universe. Then nwekwa the throne of the queenship. So agwara nge na ebe ndị mmadụ si nweta concept of king and queen bụ ihe na-emebu na mmụọ. I have told you people that whatever that earthly governance is a prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. So where human being got an idea of king and queen is from the ordinance from the spiritual realm downwards. Thank you.
Do you believe that the name of Mary has ever performed miracles?
Yes. As a Catholic back then, I believe so much. I'm one of those people that say my decades of rosary. I remember that time I used to say 60 decades of rosary at that time. But believe in me, based on my total devotion of that time, believe in me, I received some miracles. And remember, based on my higher awakening now, whatever you believe, practice in meditation with total concern, commitment. The being behind that particular personality you are mentioned will be performing miracles. So whenever I say, whatever you are calling even the Queen of Heaven, whether the image of Mary is the one behind there, the supernatural being that bears that personality as Queen of Heaven will always be there to answer your prayers. Example, when you see when a molder molded an image of Udo, or brought that 2 bars of cement, that will answer your prayers. But for the fact that you already approach Udo to bring peace in your family or in your matter, the spirit of Udo not behind that image will always be there. So whether may present the Virgin Maria, but I can tell you that name of Eze-Ana nke eluigwe yobala anya ayo and na yota ihe. Etu akọ dịkwara under spiritual things. Every altar, no one behind that altar. If you call the entities of powers for the light region, whether you have any symbolic image you kept to represent them, in Ayayo, the beings from the light region will listen to you and perform miracle. Thank you.
Can someone receive blessings from praying the chaplets?
Yes. What is chaplet? Chaplet comprises how many full of grace, Lord, with thee. Blessed among you, among the women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, and their womb, Jesus. However, what brings miracle out of it is the meditation. Remember, that Hail Mary is just oku. The primary thing in that chaplet. Remember, not only Catholic that pray the chaplet, and other denominations neighbor chaplet. As it is chaplet, yes. How they keep by many names, but it symbolizes chaplet. Like Umunai the Muslims, yeah, and what don't see neighbor because also the word religion, though most of them are not known. But any bead you are using, meditate. What is secret in that chaplet is ihomimi. Ihomimi in Kafufun Kembo. Yes, bro, something like that. Now you begin to imagine the suffering and the joy and so on and so forth. That meditation is the key. So whether me jihenaka, mana why chaplet you are using chaplet is like for amateur person to be concentrate. However, as an awakened human spirit now, I can go into meditation without even holding any chaplet. Because I know how to summon my instruments and how to articulate my mind and remain focused. So, chaplet, if you pray it with the meditation therein, and remain my mind focused on the meditation to cause joy or to put you in a mood of reflection, for you to be so sorry for your sins, that meditation alone can remember more. And that meditation alone will take you to greater heights. Thank you.
Do you believe that the blessed sacrament is blood and flesh of Jesus? That if it falls on the floor, it will automatically turn to blood?
Some of these stories they taught us when we are going for Holy Communion and the Ekwakanisi. Yes, those things, when we are going for priesthood training as theology, and so many things, and I only had about my stories. Yes, my stories. Those my stories is oku meju oku, ma oku na-eke akụkọ, ma ọ some certain words created in order to make the faithfuls remain focused. Or ihe ga-eme ka I were kụziere ndị mmadụ ihe. So some of these stories a na-agwa anyị mgbe anyị na-eje ụka bụ akụkọ mma ngozi na ndị ya dị. Those stories is for you to appreciate what you have and to carry the thing you are being given with both hands and to appreciate it. So for that reason, what I'm telling you in essence is this. All those things they told you is for you to appreciate it so that you will not be seeing the Holy Communion as ordinary host. Me and you know that is being produced by the Reverend Sisters. They have a floor. Achichane Koreko, or the kind of tasteless. Yes. So on the sister name here. I remember those days, every Catholic church go to an church where to mama for Thanksgiving. Parish priest again, and Kenny sister go to ya. You know what? So I remember the master work and quarrel all. And I wait over Saturday making up was so for the Jabo and Savannah host to before I had about one table for na wine or wine or walk into a car. But I thank God, glory be to God. A friend of mine gave it to me last year. So we have another Abichai, no, but Jesus. I only had one bottle there. Then I don't bushy. So, to my audience, if you like, you will give me wine, give me that water wine. On to be had drum. So, I'm going to say, happy and bar. One giant on the two will hanky if you chaya or Savage go get the fichaya then. Oh, yeah, one giant in a cup or by the memory, or you came mother 100. So, Hannah Bay, I'm not going to run anyways. So, you had no Kumakia now. That I call I. No way if I mistakenly capacity in your mother. n'ọnụ arụ Kristi wepụta ile otu oche itinye nwe ka esi mee mistake ọ daa n'ala asị anyị na ọbara eju everywhere. That is akụkọ mma Ngozi na ndị ha dị ụdị ha adọrọ n'anya m anyị my eyes both in Seventh and David afụgo many places ọ da fada sober then bedikwa da werukwa nwe ihe ya ịghọtara ya. Enwere ihe dịka o werukwa nwe ihe onwe ike tinye na communion plate mgbe ọ ya ehụtasị ụmụ ihe na ohụtasị ihe na-eriere onwe ihe nwere ihe dịka ọbara. So ihe niile ahụ ihe a na-agwa nwatakịrị ka o wee were egwu na approach ewute nsọ nsọ ebube. So daalụ.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries and deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world. My advice, keep following us, keep sharing our messages, keep telling people about our administrations. In America, Kachugo keep me here, negotiating my gospel. Okay, God, don't you?